It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy.
Mon. Hahabol ako kala Stephanie kasi nag-hiking siya sa Buffalo Hill. Kasi pinalabas ako ng mga amo ko today. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang ako. Sana talaga mahabol ko sila. Hindi kasi nila alam na pupunta ako dito sa shopping ngayon eh. Sige, bye-bye. Ito na ang start, guys. Simple hike lang naman siya. Pero medyo malayo din to. Ako, masama kaya sila. Pero 1/4 lang naman yung nalalakad ko. Pero grabe yung hingal ko, guys. Talagang nga hindi nakapag-hiking. Hindi na na-maintain. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin sila mahanap. Sana lang talaga nasa tamang daan ako. Kasi dalawang way dito eh. Isa dito, isa sa kabila. Pero sabi kasi ni Steph, dun daw sila dadaan sa dinaanan namin noon. Nakapunta na kasi ako rito one time. Yung daanan, masyadong steep. Yan, ibang trailing yan dyan. Hindi sila makita. Nakahanap ako ng kasama.
Oo, hirap muna bago sarap. Hirap na pag sarap muna bago hirap. Wow! Huwag ka kasing tumingin sa baba. Tumingin ka kasi ng tingin eh. Oo, malapit na siya. Nakita mo na na.
yan.
Matarik pa rin.
Matarik pa yan?
Ang sarap sana magpadulas.
Naakyat na din. Kasi ano yan ang part din yan ng mountain, di ba?
Isa sa part ng Taitung. Maraming Taitung.
Dito banda. Ayun ba sinasabi ni Nara? Ayun ba? Uy ba yan?
Ayan, pababa na ako. Hindi ko talaga nahanap yung tatlo. Sana sila yon. Sana lang sila yon. Hindi ko nga sila minessage eh. Kasi hindi sila nagsisin sa group chat namin.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness.